Well, good morning. Been a long time since we've been out. Just going to go out and enjoy a bit of a cruise around the old tracks. I'll put a little bit of a hole in the fence here so I don't have to undo the gate to get out every day that I want to go. And we'll head on out to our usual tracks and have a bit of a look around and see what's been happening. Well, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning, about 15:15 actually. Weather's not too bad, a bit overcast, but quite nice rideable day today. So we're just going to toddle around and reacquaint ourselves with the area out here that we ride all the time. We're pretty lucky in regional Victoria that we haven't had too many lockdowns, so should be good from here on in. I don't think there'll be any more. I think the government's come to a bit of an agreement that from here on in it's onwards and upwards. So sit back and enjoy what you see. Mother Nature, what a wonderful thing. We're just coming up on a bit of an area that they sort of make a track in. Sometimes there's people out here, sometimes there's not. Today, nobody. But just out there, some people come and camp and their kids have a muck around out there. They made a little track. They go round and round. Good on them. Well, that's the sort of thing you get to come and see. You just got to get out and about. How beautiful is that? Wow. Glorious. I don't think I'll attempt that one up there. That looks a bit hard for me. We'll have a look up here. See if there's a way out, I'd say. Ouch. Say there would be, I'd guess. That was pretty pathetic. There's a way out of that little thing. There you go. Well, we're just heading out to the island at Kimbolton Pool, which is now an island again. I'll just go down here and have a look. And there she is. So there's been a bit of water come in, which is now an island again. I wouldn't know how deep it was, but I don't think I'd attempt to go across it, to be quite honest. Fair few boats across the way at the boat ramp. As you can see, the lake is as still as, so it'll be a great day out fishing in the boats today. Well, it's another glorious day out and about. I'll just do a quick skirt around Kerang Point. we'll head back on a few more tracks. We had a bite to eat there, get us through another couple of hours. The island over there, a few boats out, swimming area in the distance, a yacht, the yacht club, and heaps of boats out at the boat ramp. And a bit of sunshine. Well, that was a nice little ride. Wasn't quick, it was about 3 hours. Bit of a stop for lunch. Now we'll go home, have a bit of a rest for this old aching body. Wash the bike, and that'll be the day pretty much over. Thanks for watching Road to Discovery.